This is Andy of Quality Stocks. Today's Tuesday, February 1st, 2011, and today we're going to take a look at WKLI. This is a NASDAQ bulletin board company trading our ticker WKLI. It's a very nice look this chart had coming through November, December, January. Nice rounded look. Came up, consolidated, just took off yesterday. Huge volume. You see 1.4 million shares traded. This chart was definitely giving hints and a move may be coming. Congratulations to those that got in down here on the rounded bottom. MACD trending towards zero. Broke through it on this initial first move. Still holding very bullish. See the histogram bars, of course, starting to increase. Nice uptrend still being held by the PPO. Again, very bullish. You can see what happened last time when it started making a move like this. Just a huge climb from 22 cents all the way up to 93 cents. You get these indicators breaking over top of zero. It's very bullish. Some very strong things can come from the chart. See ADX just now trying to break through 30, which tells you it's going into a strong trend. Positive DI being on top, trend's heading upward, of course. Great look to the MFI. You can just kind of get the feel of that overall channel that it had going on. Trending up over top of 80. The holding over 50 is very bullish. Holding over 80 is certainly very strong at this point. This is what gaps will do a lot of times. Gaps with wicks. You can see at this upper shadow it had. Big gap up. Ran. There was some profit taking. Came back down. Those upper shadows will twist and turn these volume-based indicators a lot of times. You can see what's happening right there. You got a little bit of a twist down, a little bit of a twist down, and shaking money flow. What you look for now, basically, is you want to see this hold over top of zero just to show that buying pressure is still overcoming selling pressure. And for something like this accumulation distribution, you're basically just looking for this bottom area to hold. Any sort of retraces, you're just looking for things to not make lower lows. By definition, CCI, that break of 100 right through there, is the buy point. It's a hold until it breaks back down through it. Again, nice uptrend was going on to give hints this move was coming. Same way at the full still. Just a very strong climb. Holding over top of 50. The chart just hasn't even broken into bear territory at all. Been holding bullish now for several months. Momentum traders will look for that break of 80. Show us there's a lot of strength in this chart. At the overall picture, though, you're looking for that hold over 50 to maintain bull chart territory. Tricks, similar rules to the PPO and ADX. Trend back towards zero. Hold over top of zero. Very strong. It's very bullish. Nice upward trends the RSI as well. 7 and the 14 now breaking over top of 70. Again, momentum traders call that the power zone. That's what they like to see. Whole lot of strength involved in this. What I look for now after this gap is on any pullbacks, I just want to see it hold that 50 marker. Even if it wants to come down, fill that gap, make the touch. I'd like to see that hold as a strong support level from this point forward. You can see it had a great uptrend going on through here. I want to see that uptrend try and continue. I want to see this continue to have strength. Everything about this chart is bullish at this point. All the movement averages are underneath it. A lot of strength with the 50 and 200 day underneath it. Both of them trending upward. Just overall a very nice look to the WKLI chart. As far as resistance goes, there's just not a lot on this chart. You can see a little bit right there where it's at from yesterday. Right through here, right in through there. It's kind of spaced out a little bit between 60 and 64, 65 perhaps. But I think it definitely is seeing a little bit of resistance right there. It does get some support from that same area as well, right there around 55 cents, just based on this. Again, none of this is super strong. The main resistance is going to come in all the way up here at the top, between 85 and 93 cents. I think if it comes back through this time and challenges this 85, it's probably going to take out that 93. Again, that's still very strong moves to get to that level. It doesn't have to do it tomorrow with some run. Like to see it just continue to make its way northward and just leave this gap behind it. If it wants to, like I say, if it wants to come back and touch it, it's not uncommon. Gaps get filled all the time and wouldn't be too concerned if we see a pullback, bounces off of 50, and then tries to continue its move. So what I'd be looking for right now is this move to continue. These indicators still have plenty of room to take off. They've really just recently gone extremely bullish. There's still lots of room for them to continue a push. So I'd be looking for it to take out 60. If it wants to pull back, hold 50. And I'd be looking for this to try and get up here and challenge this 85 area and see what it does from there if it can make a brand new high. These are the things I'll have my eye on with the WKLI chart. Great move, looking for continuation. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the WKLI chart. This is Andy with Quality Stocks. Thanks for watching and trade smart.